To make these super crispy chickpeas for snacking or as a topping for salads, soups and wraps, you will only need 20 minutes and of course an air fryer. The first thing we do is to drain and rinse the canned chickpeas with water. Don't throw away the chickpea water, the aquafaba, as you can use it as an egg replacement to prepare crepes and chocolate mousse. I will add some recipes in the description box below. Add the chickpeas to the basket of your air fryer. Set the air fryer to 120 degrees Celsius and dry the chickpeas for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add the chickpeas to a bowl and toss with the olive oil and the spices. Mix well to combine. Now add the coated chickpeas to your air fryer basket and spread in a single layer. Set the air fryer to 180 degrees Celsius and cook for 30 minutes until crispy. Transfer the hot chickpeas to a bowl and let cool down a bit. And that's all you have to do. Within 20 minutes you prepared your own healthy snack. I also like to toss them over my salads, and I add them to wraps, stews or soups. I added some other varieties in the description box below. I hope you like my recipe for crispy air-fried chickpeas. Thanks a lot for watching and see you next time.